will come back to my channel.
Today we're going to explore 20 important math symbols that you'll use in your daily math practice. From addition to division, we'll break down each symbol with easy examples to help you understand and use them confidently. Are you ready? Let's get started. Addition. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Subtraction, minus. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Multiplication, times or multiplication. 4 times 3 equals 12. Division, division sign or slash. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Equals. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Not equal. 7 does not equal 10. Greater than. 8 is greater than 5. Less than. 3 is less than 7. Greater than or equal to. 9 is greater than or equal to 8. Less than or equal to. 6 is less than or equal to 10. Parentheses. Bracket 2 plus 3. Bracket 4 times equals to 20. Brackets. 5 times open bracket 2 plus 3. Close bracket equals 25. Exponent. 3 squared equals 9. Square root. Square root 16 equals to 4. Percentage. 50% of 100 equals 50. Pi. Approximately 3.14159. Fraction line. 1/2 or 1/2. Decimal point. 5.25. Absolute value. Represents the distance of a number from 0, ignoring whether it's positive or negative. Infinity. Represents an unbounded quantity, something that goes on forever. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more kids learning videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.